Welcome to the first discussion on data interpretation. This is that section which is regarded as one of the toughest sections, and many of my students find it more tougher than the normal Quanti section. Questions like this come for 20 marks on a paper of 50, which is 40% of the question paper. Likely, one who is good at data interpretation will one-sidedly win the competition. The questions will be this kind of a figure gives company A's production, this kind of a figure gives company B's production, and these are the productions of the years is 2003, 4, 5, 6, 7, and these are the productions 125, 155, 175, and so on. Then the question will be, in which year the percentage increase in the production of company B to that of company A was maximum? I repeat, in which year the percentage increase in the production of company B to that of company A was maximum? Or in other words, company B made more productions than A, but we are bothering the percentage. Anyway, I'm not bothering anything on this percentage and this that for the moment because nothing is required. So normally a student does by this, that he looks all this and subtracts 250 minus 200 divided by 200 minus this is 0 actually, so all that stuff you'll be doing. If it is for 2003, we will be doing like 250 minus 200 whole by 200 into 100 and so on. That I'll say is something that you may not believe, that these all things have no meaning. Trust me. These calculations have no meaning in these cases. So if you're doing this calculation, you do not understand the bank question. He doesn't test your mathematical strength. So what do I do is just I see this difference, what I'm saying to be a pole method. So I see this, I'll bother now. Here is a pole, and this increased by, let me say, this much. So there is another pole, and it increased by so much. So that way, please bear with. Now you can see, we can easily say that this pole increase more and this pole increase quite less. Similarly, if I'll give you another pole like this, and the other pole, I mean the increase in the pole is, let me say, so much, I'll say here the increase is quite more. This is the minimum, this is maximum, this is something less in between, I'm sorry, this one. is, sorry, this is minimum, this is maximum, and this is in between. I believe I could convince you. The same technique is over here, trust me, that I'm just bothering this pole and its increase is this much, this pole and its increase this much, this pole its increase is only this much, this pole increase is so much, this pole increase is so much. So where the pole actually grew quite bigger is here. It just grew quite high. Here it's increasing very little, here also little, here also little, here also little. And the question asks, which will be the maximum growth or maximum profit percent? Such a scary mathematical language. The answer is definitely this. How much time do you require to solve this problem is seconds, but if you'll go by the normal process, it will take minutes to solve and we may come to a wrong conclusion. Please catch me in the next video for more discussions on data interpretation stuff. Thanks for watching.